Hi, hello children. Yes, once again, welcome back to online class. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about the critical thinking, some problems we solved. That is question number 1 to 10. Now, again, 10 questions are there. That is 11 to 20. Now, we will start with the question number 11. Write question number 11 neatly in your notebook. Now, I will read that which is longer. That tick that which is longer. Yes, you should tick that which is longer. First one, A. Yes, 10 months or 10 months or yes, 3/4 of year. 3/4 of a year. Yes, of a year. You should know what is mean by quarter of a year. Yes, quarter means it is 1/4. 1/4 of a 10 months here. Compare with this 10 months and 3/4 of a year means 3/1/4 of 12 months. Yes, 3/1/4 of 12 months. First you should know 1/4 of 12 months. 1/4 of 12 months is equals to, you can write 4 one time, 4 3 times. That is 3 months. 1/4 of year is equals to 3 months. Then 3 3s are 3 into 3, that is 9 months. Yes, here you tick which is greater, 10 months and 9 months. Here 10 months, it is greater than, yes, 9 months. 9 months. Here 3/4 of the year is, it is only how much? 9 months. It is 10 months means it is a greater. Yes, B question. B one in that, yes, 1/3 of a day 9 hours, or 1/3 of a day or 9 hours. 1/3 of a day or 9 hours. Yes, compare here 9 hours and 1/3 of a day means one day has how many hours? Good, 24 hours. Then 1/4 of a 24. Then 3 1 time, 3 8 times. Here this is 8 hours. We can write 8 hours, and here this is 9 hours. Then which is greater? Yes, tick 9 hours. It is a greater. Yes, write like this only. You can write. Next is C1. An address label. Yes. Label of two integer 5/8 centimeter. Yes, compare with long, or compare with one more, that is 2 integer 3/4 centimeter. 3 integer 2/4 centimeter long. 3 integer, sorry, 3/4, 2 integer 3/4. Yes, compare with these 2 centimeters. Yes, compare 2 integer 5/8 and yes, 2 integer 3/4. Yes, how much it is? This is nothing but 2 8s are 16 plus 5 21/8. Then this is 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11/4. 11/4. Compare with these two. Yes, which is the, now we can reduce this one. This answer is nearly about 2 point, yes, 2.33 like this, and this is 2.42 are 8 here also. Yes, here now we can write, yes, 2 8s are 16 21 by, yes, this is 21/8. 2 8s are 16. Again 5 remains back. Take 0 here and decimal. 2 8 6 are 48. Then 2 remains. Here this one you divide 2.6, nearly about 2.6, and this one 11 by 4. 4 2s are 8, again 3 remains. Take point 0 here. 4 7s are 28. Yes, 2 remains. But here, which is bigger? 11 by 8. It is 11 by 4. It is 2.7. Then we can write 2.6 is lesser than 2.7 automatically. Which is a longer? Yes, this is a longer. Second one. Yes or no? This is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter is a longer than 2 integer 5 by 8. Yes, this address level is longer. Here only we have everything. Yes or no? This is 2 8 is 16 plus 5 11. 16 plus 5 21 is 21 by 8, and this is yes 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is 2.7 something, and here it is 2.6. Then 2.7 is greater than 2.6. Automatically we can. And D one. In this only again D1 is there. That we will write now. In question number 11, D. Yes, no D, only 3 are there. Then you can write this one also. There is next question, question number 12. We will see question number 12. Yes, each angle is a pair of complementary angles is the complement of the other. Yes, here each angle a pair of angles. Here 2 angles are there, and this is and this one. This is 35 and this is yes 55. These are complement to each other. Yes, they will tell these angles are complement to each other. Yes, pair of complementary angles is the complement of the other. This is the complement of this one, and this is complement to this one. Yes, does every angle have complement? No. Every angle has complement? No. Here we can take this is of yes here 135 degree. 135 for this complement angle. There is no complement angle, only we can write supplement angle, that is of 55 degrees Celsius. Supplement angle we can write. There is no complement angle for this one. That's why we can write no. Does every angle have a complement? No. Write no. Every angle not has a complement. Complement angle. Yes, we can write this example. Yes, here 135 degree plus 55 degree. This is 180 degree. It is a. These are supplement angles. There is no complement. Supplement angles these are. Yes or no? Supplement angles. 135 there is no complement. Complement means it is together 90 degree. The sum of the 2 angles together 90 degree. Then we can call those angles are complement angles. Here supplement means it is equal to 180 degree. Yes. Second, next question. Yes, 12th one. It is 12 and 13th one. 13th. Can you multiply a number by 10,000 and have fewer than 4 zeros in the product? Explain your answer. Yes. You can have 4 zeros fewer in the product. Yes, how? That is, yes, we can have 4 zeros favor in the product. Yes, very simple. How? If a number is multiplied, 3 you take multiply by 10,000, then 3 is product, 3 ones are 3 and 4 zeros you write no? Yes or no? 3 after 4 zeros are there. These 4 zeros are favoring the product. Yes. Then 14 question. Question number 14. Insert parenthesis means brackets to the each of statement true. You may need more than one set of parentheses. Means here brackets you should insert. You may need more than one set. 5.6 minus 4.1 into 2.8 plus 1 is equals to 1.2 is equals to 6. Yes, where the brackets will come? Insert the brackets, parenthesis. Means here 0.6 minus 4.1. 0.6 minus 4.1. What is the answer? Yes, you can write 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 5 minus 4 is 1.5 answer. Into 2.8 plus 1.2. You add these two, 2.8 plus 1.2. Yes, it is 10. Yes, 4. 4 plus 1.5. This is 5.5 only. No, not possible here. But we can have these two brackets. Here one bracket, then one more bracket we need. That is 2.8 plus is the answer is 1.5. It is 5.6 minus 4.1. 5. This is how much? Yes, it is of 1.5 into yes here the bracket. This is sum and this is difference. You multiply 1.5 into 4. 1.5 into 4 you can get 6. 1.5 to 4. If you have out, multiply 1.5 into 4. 4 5s are 20. Yes, 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. Only one decimal. The sum is 6. Then here this one bracket, middle is into side. This is a correct. Yes, write this much. This all you can write. Next, B1. You can insert a bracket 10 into 15 plus 20. 10 into 15 plus 20 minus into 4 divided by 2. Into 4 divided by 2. Yes, this one will write here only above. B. Yes, that is 10 into 15 plus 20 into 2 into 4 divided by 2 is equals to divided by 2 is equals to 700. Yes. Here 15 tens are 150 plus 20 170 plus no, it is not possible like that. Yes. First, what Demas or Bodamas we should apply. Demas means division first. 4 by 2 is 2. Yes, Demas. Then here after that multiplication. This and 2 40. 20 and 2 is 40. Then 40 into 10 into 15 multiplication. This 2 10 into 50 it is. Here plus is there, 10 50 is there. Again 15 tens are 150 plus 40 is equals to 70. Is it possible? No, you cannot have like this. How will you have? Think once again. Yes, here we can multiply these two. Yes, 10 into 15 plus 20. 10 into, yes, 15 plus 20 it is 35. 35 tens are 315 into 4. Yes, inside bracket. Into 4 is 350 into 4 is 1400. 1400 divided by 2 is, yes, this is nothing but, how will you solve? First inside bracket. Inside bracket means Bodamas 10 into 35, yes, into 15 into 4. 350 into 4 divided by 2, it is 700 only. Yes, this is nothing but 350 into 4 divided by 2. This is 700. 1400 by 2 is 700. Correct? Then brackets will be here and there. It's very simple. Next one. After this, question number 15. Write this one. Next question. You should think, then only we can answerable. Without thinking, we cannot get the answer. Here, question number 15. How can we enlarge a figure and keep it similar in shape to the original? This is example 15. One rectangle. This is one rectangle. How can we enlarge to keep similar figure like this? Again, you need a rectangle only. How can you enlarge? Yes, if you enlarge in all directions. If we enlarge in all directions, we can get the same. Yes, here and enlarge here also. Add in all same distance. With the same distance, you enlarge every day. With the same distance. Then we can write, this is also rectangle. We got again similar to the original, and this is also a rectangle. How will you get? Enlarge with the same distance in all directions. That's only right. Enlarge with same distance in all directions. Enlarge the figure. Enlarge the figure with same distance or same length, same distance in all directions. In all directions, if you enlarge with the same distance, you can get a same original or same like a original figure. Yes. Next one. Question number 16. Yes. A metal wire of length 40 cm is molded into a square. Here 40 cm is the perimeter of square, then each centimeter is equals to 10 10 10 10 centimeter 10 centimeter 10 centimeter. Yes, it is molded as a square. 40 centimeter length of a string or a metal wire that you taken and molded as a square. Then one more, that is then the same wire is molded into a rectangle with length 12 centimeter. It is square, a rectangle with 12 centimeter. Yes, length. It is 12 centimeter. It is 12. And remaining how much? It should be 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. This is rectangle and square. Now your work is you find the figure with greater area. Find the figure with greater area. Then find the areas of these two figures. Find the area of square and find the area of a rectangle. Here, which is the greater area, that figure we can write. Yes, area of square. A is equals to area of square. A is equals to, we can write S into S, that is 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square. Yes, then the area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle, A is equals to L into B, length into breadth. L is 12 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter, 12 8 is 96 centimeter square. Then which is the greater area? Square. You should write answer. Yes, area of square is equals to area of rectangle. Then find the figure with greater area. Therefore, square figure has greater area with the same perimeter. Perimeter is 40 centimeter. Here also perimeter is 40 centimeter. Find 12, 8, 20, 32, 40, 10, 10, 10, 10, 40. But area it is compared to this rectangle, its area is more. Clear? Okay. Write down this question number 16. Question number 16, write. Next one, question number 17. Write the 16th one. Yes. Now we will go with the next question. 17. Take questions from your textbook, answers from the board. Understanding? No? Is there any doubts? If you get any doubt, you can give a call to me. Yes. Question number 17. A group resident of Adarsh Nagar Society went for a picnic. Here, a group of Adarsh Nagar Society went for a picnic. Children were double the number of the female members. Yes. Here you take female members as X. Female members as X. Children, the given children were double of this female number. Children, that is double means 2 into X. 2X. Then male members were 1/3 of the female members. Yes, male members 1/3 of female members. Here female are X, 1/3 of X, 1/3 of X. Then here what they given? If there were 30 female members, then find the number of male members and children who went for a picnic. Yes, X is equals to 30. X is equals to 30. Then 2 into 30. It is 60 children are there. Then here 1/3 of 30. 1/3 of 30. Yes, this is 3 ones are 3 tens are. Then 10 members. 60 children, 10 male members. We can write. Just write like this only. Very simple it is. Yes or no? This one you should understand first. You should take the known member as x, unknown, this is double of female 2x, and 1/3 of x is, yes, 30 by 3, that is 10. 10 male members, 60 children, 30 female members. Finished? Okay. After this, question number 18. Write this 17. Yes. 18 question. Here observe the figure. The figure, this is with 100 degrees Celsius and it is with 200 degree Fahrenheit. 200 degree Fahrenheit. Observe these two. The bucket that has hotter water. Circle the bucket. Observe the figures. Circle the bucket that has hotter water. Hotter water. Yes, justify your answer. I will circle. Which is the hotter water here? Yes. Here, this is 100 degrees Celsius is hotter water. Hotter water. Why it is hotter? Because we know that what 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. Boiling point of water. But here and 212 degree Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit is the boiling point of water in the Fahrenheit scale. But what they given? 200 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, therefore we can write 200 degree Fahrenheit is lesser than 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius, because here 212 degree Celsius, Fahrenheit is equals to 100 degree Celsius. This is 100 degree Celsius is equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here 200 degree Fahrenheit is lesser than 100 degree Celsius. That's why it is hotter than 200 degree Fahrenheit. Next one, 19th one. Using a graph paper, draw as many rectangles as you can, such that each has an area of 24 square centimeter. Explain the pattern you notice. Yes, after this we can draw a rectangles. Use the graph paper. Take a graph paper and it consists of square boxes, square lines. Yes or no? By that we can draw rectangles of having 24 square centimeter area. Here example I am drawing, not exact. This is 1 into 24. 1 centimeter we can take. Yes, this length 1 centimeter. Breadth we can take 24 squares. How many square boxes? 24. Like this it is not possible, means length like this column. One column it may be equal to 24. Yes or no? 1 centimeter breadth or length is 1 centimeter, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 24. This is 24 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Yes, then we can write 1 into 24. Length into breadth, that is 24 square centimeter. Area. Yes or no? Here this is 1, or we can write 2 into 12. 2 lines you can take of 12. Yes, 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12 squares. Yes, then we can write area A is equals to 2 into 12, that is 24 square centimeter. Yes or no? And one more, 3 into 8, or like this also we can have rectangle. Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. 8 squares. 8 squares. That is area equal to 3 into 8 centimeter square, 20 meter centimeter square, like this. Yes, and 3, 8. After this, one more we can have, that is 4 into 6. 4 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. This is how many? It is 4 and it is 6. We can write 6 into 4, that is 24 centimeter square. 24 centimeter square. Yes or no? Yes. Like this, all these 4 we can draw in a graph paper. This is question number 18. Sorry, 19 it is. Question number 19. Use the graph paper and draw all these 4 rectangles. Yes, after this we can have last question. With this we can finish our syllabus, total syllabus of 5th standard. Yes, total 27 lessons. Fill the numbers in the box. Here, fill the numbers in the box given, but that should be, question number 20 should be, tick the correct, yes, tick the correct answers like that. If it is correct, you can tick correct for, and tick correct for right options, tick correct for the, tick the for correct answer, correct statement, and cross out for wrong statement. It should be like this. Yes, fill the number means what number will you fill there? The given first one integer 2 by 3 is greater than 1. Yes, it is correct. One integer 2 by 3 is 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is greater than 1. How? 5 divided by 3. Yes, 1 point you can get 6 something. 1.6 something we will get. Yes or no? It is 1.6 is greater than 1. But here B one see here 5 integer 3 by 8. They will say it is less than 5. Is it less than 5? No, it is not less than 5. Why? Integer is 5, quotient is 5 here. Yes, but here see 5 is a 40, 43 by 8 it is. 43 by 8 means 4 5s are, 8 5s are 40, again 3. Then 3 remains. 8 3 is a 24 we can take. 5.3 something it is, but here 5. This is wrong. Here we can cross out. Here the question is given like this. Here we can tick correct. This is like this. Again 2 are there. That is 2 integer 3 by 5. 2 integer 3 by 5 is greater than less than 2. Wrong it is. Why? Quotient is 2 here. Why it is less than 2? Whole number is 2. Again this much fraction is increasing. Then 13 by 5. And here 13 by 5 means 5 2 is 10. 3 remains. 5 6 2.6. It is wrong. It is 2.6 is not less than 2. It is greater than 2. Like this. One more. Yes. D one we have. Yes. 4 integer 3 by 4 is less than greater than less than 4 greater than 4. It is greater than 4 they given. Yes, we can write it is greater. How? 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 by 4. It is greater than 4. 19 means 4.7. It is something. It is greater than 4 only. Now we can write it is correct. Here it is wrong. Like this we can fill with the correct numbers. Fill the numbers in the box they given, but numbers we cannot fill. Yes, we can fill this sign. Yes, with this we finish our lesson. This is critical thinking and whole syllabus of our 5th standard. Yes, that is lesson number 1 to 27 we completed. Yes, again I will send the revision classes. Observe every revision classes and attend the test what we are conducting, the test, mock test, everything you attend, and I will conduct the class test also. Lesson wise, 2 lessons, 3 lessons together. I will take a class test. You can write and send the answers. If you get any doubt about this maths, you can give a call to me. Okay, thank you.